Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ainin Sofia binti Mazrun. I'm from N5MC1103H. So today I'm going to present to you about nonverbal communication. If communication is the transfer of meaning, which we accomplish largely through the use of verbal symbols, then nonverbal communication would be the transfer of meaning without the use of verbal symbols. There are three types of nonverbal categories: sign language, action language, and object language. There are also three types of nonverbal process. Number 1, cue.
We perceive a nonverbal cue such as sight, sound, touch, smell, and taste.
Number 2, expectation. We compare what we perceive to our expectation. And number 3, inference. We infer meaning based on how closely our perception match our expectations. So these are the functions of nonverbal communication.
Assenting involves using gestures, facial expressions, vocal tone, and other nonverbal signals to draw attention to particular words or phrases in spoken communication. For example, hand movements can emphasize a point, such as raising a hand to signify importance or pounding a fist on a table to stress a disagreement. Complementing involves aligning nonverbal behaviors such as gestures, facial expressions, and body language with spoken words to reinforce their meaning. Contradicting in nonverbal communication occurs when nonverbal cues conflict with verbal messages, leading to confusion or misunderstanding. This phenomenon is significant in interpersonal interactions as it can reveal underlying emotions or intentions that words alone may not express. For example, someone might verbally express agreement but maintain a closed posture, such as crossed arms, suggesting discomfort or disagreement. Regulating involves nonverbal behaviors that dictate the dynamics of a conversation. These cues help organize turn-taking, signal agreement or disagreement, and set the pace of discussions. For example, nodding can signal agreement or encouragement for the speaker to continue, while frowning might indicate confusion or disagreement. Repeating involves mirroring or reiterating verbal statements through nonverbal means, ensuring that the message is understood clearly. For example, using gestures that mimic the spoken words, such as nodding while saying yes to emphasize agreement.
Yes.
Substituting refers to the practice of conveying messages entirely through nonverbal means instead of using verbal language. For example, a thumbs up can substitute for saying good or yes. Next, dimensions of nonverbal code. We have emblems, illustrators, affective space, regulators, and adapters. Emblems, thumbs up indicates good job or approval. OK sign indicates that everything is fine or acceptable. By using gestures that correspond with verbal statements, illustrators help clarify meanings and reduce misunderstandings. Affective space. Hand movements can also serve as affective space. For instance, waving can express joy or greeting, while clenched face might indicate frustration or anger. Regulators. If someone raises their hand during a lecture, this gesture serves as a regulator that signals the instructor to pause and allow for questions. Adapters. Actions focus on oneself, such as biting nails or adjusting clothing. These behaviors often indicate anxiety or discomfort.
Sometimes nonverbal cues are easy to read, but sometimes it is difficult to interpret. That's all from me.